Hello, I'm Dr. Shailaja Kale from Diabetes Dilemma, and I would like to share some very important happenings which are happening at Orlando ADA Conference 2024. Today was the first day, 21st of June in 2024, and one of the very important session I attended was the Pathway Symposium, which happened in the main hall of ADA 2024. In this Pathway Symposium is created for the cutting edge technology research in the diabetes field, which can be used to treat or prevent altogether diabetes. So there were three important sessions. What I am discussing with you is Paul Cohen, his work. He's a scientist from Rockefeller Center, and he presented his work about adipose tissue. The title is there any good fat in the body? We all are aware there is a white adipose tissue and there is a brown adipose tissue, and there is also a beige adipose tissue. And we know that is all fat bad, or even the fat is doing something good in the body. We are aware that brown adipose tissue is a good fat and it can create heat from the glucose and the triglycerides. But actually it is doing a lot of good things, just not only by generating heat, but the other things which Dr. Cohen presented. A human body, this brown adipose tissue can be stimulated, and we have seen the research when there is exposure to cold, there is more brown adipose tissue is there. What he presented from his large data mining of his lakhs of patients and the PET scans and more than 50,000 patients in one particular cohort, what he shown the data was that more the brown adipose tissue working in the body, less is the incidence of type 2 diabetes, coronary artery disease, heart failure, hypertension, and also cerebrovascular disease. So brown adipose tissue is doing good, is preventing lot of metabolic complications. One more thing he has shown that this is independent of obesity. So whatever is the BMI, and he showed even the BMI more than 30, and if it is even less than 25, more is the brown adipose tissue, less is the rate of type 2 diabetes and other cardiovascular complications. So even though someone is obese, if they have good brown adipose tissue, it is preventing type 2 diabetes and other cardiovascular complications. One more association he presented was more the brown adipose tissue, the distribution of fat in the body is in a more healthier way. There are own genome-wide studies he's presented from other scientists as well as from his center, that there are some specific genotypes which actually are associated with much more brown adipose tissue. He has also shown that there is some molecules, some proteins secreted from brown adipose tissue which are maybe responsible or are mediator for this good effect of the brown adipose tissue. So there are cutting edge technologies by maybe studying these genes, maybe modifying these genes, or maybe using these molecules which are secreted from brown adipose tissue. There is a lot of way we can treat type 2 diabetes, we can prevent type 2 diabetes, and we can definitely prevent the complications. And that time is not very far away. Maybe in next few years we will have some intervention because of this Paul Cohen's and other teams' research, which can definitely prevent diabetes as well as can treat the metabolic diseases. Thank you.